Hello, everyone. I am back. Happy New Year to everyone. Where have you been? How y'all guys doing? I am so excited about the new year, and I hope you are too. We are getting ready for the NOLA Southern Experience. That's right. July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. I hope you're registered. I hope you booked your hotel already. And guys, I have uploaded the playlist. It's the partial playlist for the event. I have the beginners playlist and also intermediate. So go over to my website, check your email. I've been sending newsletters. So if you register, you should be getting a newsletter from me at least once a month or every 6 weeks or so. I'm giving you updated information about this event. If not, go to our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. So right now, the playlist is there. Instructors, start teaching those dances. I have the link attached to each line dance. You can copy that link into YouTube, and it'll give you the instructional. So here, from this day forward, I'm trying to do an instructional on pretty much most of the line dances that we're going to be doing at NOLA Southern Experience. I want y'all guys to be ready. So this is the beginning of the year. I put the playlist out in November, okay? So catch up, get on board, guys. So there's no reason why you should come to NOLA Southern Experience and sit down. I'm getting you ready right now. I'm so excited. Thank you everyone who have registered already. If you haven't, it's time. Registration is winding up. We're not sold out. It's still available. So I need y'all guys to go ahead and take care of your registration. And if you've never been, I'm inviting you to come. Go over to our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. So guys, this next dance I'm going to teach you is called back loop. So some of y'all guys might be doing it already, but guess what? I'm not going to only teach you how to do the dance, but ladies, I'm going to show you how to make it sexy, okay? Listen up. Let's go. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. Instructors, I will use this dance for a cool down, okay? Not a warm up, but a cool down because it's nice and slow. Let's go. It's nice and beginner's class, beginner dance. So let's start at this wall here. So you're going to start with a walk up. And when you walk up, I don't want you to walk like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're walking up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't you dare walk up like that. Let me show you how to walk up. Ladies, your weight is going to be on the left. I want you to cross with your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see that? That means you got to control. You got to have balance to do that. Walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, dip, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I dipped it right and I did to the left. Notice how I'm using my hands. Dip and dip. I'm telling you, I'm going to show you how to make it sexy. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Dip, 5, 6, 7, 8. And look, when you walk up, don't walk up like this. Don't do that, okay? Keep your legs close together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Keep your step nice and tight. 1, 2, 3. And that way you have more control over your balance. So don't try to do this. 1, 2, 3. Don't do that, okay? 5, 6, 7. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dip. 5, 6, 7, 8. My weight is on the left and I'm going to take it back. 1, dip, 2, back, 3, dip, 4. So I came back. Right, down, left, down. okay? And then you're gonna add on to this, roll to the right, and roll to the left. See how I'm using my hands? And almost going like my hips. Down and up, down and up. All right. So we walked up, and then we dip, dip, dip. Take it down, back, 1, dip 2, 3, and 4. So right, down, left, down, then dip to the right, and dip to the left. All right, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and look, relax with it. Relax with it. Watch my upper shoulder. It's almost like I'm kind of nonchalant right here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, dip 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, dip 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, I want you to go out and in, out and in. And when you do that, watch how I'm going to change it up a little bit. Out and in, out and in. So my hands are going to follow, and I'm going to look in that direction. Out and in, out and in. Yes? Make it fun. Y'all see that? Out and in, out and in. And then dip right, dip left. Going with those dips again. Let's go from the top. So we walk up, we dip right, we dip left. We come back right and dip, come left, back left and dip, roll right, roll left. Just with the legs. Out and in, out and in, and dip again. There goes my hands again. All right, the next step will be to take you to the next wall. Okay, that's the only thing we have left. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, dip 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, 2, 3, 4, dip 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, dip 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Now you're on the left. Now we're getting ready to make our turn, which move counterclockwise. We're going to step behind, step, tap. Step, behind, step, tap, left, step behind, and then we're going to go to the left. So it's a vine. Step, behind, step, tap, step, behind, and turn. Now, I want you to do that turn on the left leg. On the left leg. Because when you turn, watch this. Step, behind, step, tap, step, behind, and turn. Put that weight on the left, and the right is going to come up. The heel is up, and then you go into the cross. All right? Let's do that again. Step, behind, step, tap, step, behind, and turn. On your left. So when you step on your left, I'm on the ball of my feet, on the front, in the front. That heel comes up. I'm putting my weight to the front part of my feet, of my foot. The ball. Heel is up, the weight is in the front, and my right leg goes up. And I'm going to walk right into it, okay? That's the dance. So let's take it from this wall here, okay? We walk up, remember, and we dip. We come back and dip. We come back, dip, we dip right, we dip left, left. Then we do the arms, out and in, and we dip again, dip, dip, then we do that vine, okay? Let's go. So stay on this side, look in that direction. 5, 6, 7. Have that upper body relaxed, okay? Almost like your hands are gonna be flopping just a little bit. You're almost walking up real sassy, like, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Yes? Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4. Dip 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, did 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, 7, 8. You turn it on that left. Your weight is on the left. That is, the name of that line dance is that glue. That glue. That's it. And you keep going around. It's the same thing. Instructors, again, I would use that as a cool down because it's nice and slow. I wouldn't use it as a warm up. It's too slow for a warm up. I would use it play it at the end of the class, okay? So, guys, that's it. That glue, if you watch till the end of this video, every video is going to have the instructional or the dance. This is the instructional, so at the end of this video, I'll post the dance. I hope to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. I want to say thank you to everyone who have registered already. Make sure you've booked in your room. We almost there. Time is winding down. Not time to wait anymore. Go ahead, instructors, if your group is coming, go ahead and get them registered. Check out the playlist, guys. There's no reason why you shouldn't know the dances. I have already posted, man, so many beginner line dances and intermediate. And that's the partial, because we need about close to 24 hours of dance music, okay? So check that out at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.